Hi, in this video I'm gonna show you the list feature, how to use it and why. So if you remember the previous video when I was showing you how to use dynamic linking option over here, where you can pull the data from the previously scraped or created instance and dynamically. Now you have option also to pull the data not just from the instance but from the list, and yeah, there is also option from the Google Sheet directly, which I'm gonna cover in the next video. So if the list feature, why it's useful, it's because, as I said previously, you will need to scrape a data and in order to use it dynamically for whatever reason you want. But now you can create your custom list, for example, which can have contain the product URLs or some kind of URLs, whatever, or just some random data. For example, let's create some list which will have, for example, the names of like Stefan, Elena, Lana, Anya, and so on. We call these list names. So I'm gonna click save it, and there's it. We have this list, and now we can use this list in our dynamic instances. Either it's a dynamic linking or dynamic input. I'm gonna cover what is dynamic input also in the next videos. So how you can create also the list is you can not just creating manually like I just showed you, but you can just drag and drop and upload actually the CSV file out there, and it's gonna import those data you have there. You can also import from the Google Sheet directly. So I'm already authenticated with my account. I'm just gonna select the sheet, which is this one. So let me first show you over here. So this is the Google Sheet I will import from, which has just some random generated data. Even the emails are not real; it's just random generated, and so on. So let's go back and let me show you. Right. So I'm gonna import this. Select the worksheet and import. We can call this fake client. Yeah, and now as you can see, we have this list with fake clients, and this is basically a table with columns, first name, email, project, budget. So what we can do now, we can go back to some of the websites, and just I'm not gonna run this example, but showing you here, instead of calling the data dynamically from the instance, you can call the data from the list. So I can go and say, hey, give me that data from this list. And now you can select the list. Either it's a fake client names, product URL, or so on. Yeah, so this is how you can utilize the list feature when you want to use any kind of dynamic data feature. Either it's a dynamic linking for the start action or for a dynamic input. So this is how the list feature is coming handy. It's really useful because you can once again upload the custom data out there, which should not be scraped, which should not be scraped or generated through the Automatio. So yeah, this is actually the lists.